you looking for a way to support a loved one suffering from depression? The journey may be tough, but it's also a chance to show love and care for one of Allah's creations. Abu Hurairah reported that the Prophet said, "He who removes from a believer one of his difficulties of this world, Allah will remove one of his troubles on the day of resurrection. And he who finds relief for a hard-pressed person, Allah will make things easy for him on the day of resurrection. He who covers up the faults and sins of a Muslim, Allah will cover up his faults and sins in this world and in the hereafter. Allah supports his slave as long as the slave is supportive of his brother." Join us on this rewarding journey as we uncover 6 powerful steps to becoming the ultimate support system for your loved one. Let's work together to help them find healing and peace, In Shaa Allah. Be a compassionate listener. One of the simplest and the most important ways to help a loved one who is depressed is to simply listen. It can be challenging to resist the impulse to step in and provide suggestions or guidance, but act this moment. What your loved one needs most is someone who will actually listen to them. By practicing active listening, you can show them that you care and are there for them. You have to be totally present in the moment, free from all outside distractions. Make eye contact and maintain an open posture to convey that you are paying attention. Use nonverbal cues like nodding to show that you understand what they're saying. This form of communication makes a huge difference in helping them feel less alone and more supported during their struggles. Make it clear that you are there without being pushy. Give the person space to express their concerns. This simple yet effective act of listening may hold the key to assisting them through their difficult time. Offer practical help. Depression can make even the simplest of tasks seem unbearable. You can support them by taking on some of their responsibilities. You can alleviate some of the stress and pressure they may be feeling. Additionally, offering to help with daily tasks can also provide a sense of structure and routine, which can be beneficial for those struggling with depression. Consider offering practical assistance, such as cooking, cleaning the house, doing laundry, or running errands for them. Keep in mind that you are Muslim, and we are encouraged to support one another when we are in need. By offering to help with daily tasks, you are not only easing the burden on your loved one, but also fulfilling your duty as a Muslim to support and care for those around you. Don't underestimate the impact you can have. By embracing your role as a support system, you can provide a ray of hope and shine a light on the path towards recovery, In Shaa Allah. Stay in touch. It might be challenging to know how to help a loved one who is struggling with depression. Keeping in touch with them is one efficient strategy. It may only take a message or a phone call to make a difference in their well-being. Make sure to communicate assertively when responding to their anger or frustration. Acknowledge their feelings and let them know that you understand and support them. Without judgment, you might use something like, "I recognize that you're feeling angry or sad or frustrated, and I want you to know that I'm with you and will not go anywhere." You should respect their boundaries and avoid pressuring them into social activities if they're not ready. But you also shouldn't let the connection fade. Continuously show your support while respecting the boundaries they have established. By maintaining contact, you can make your loved one feel less isolated and more supported as they battle depression. It's also possible to express your care by saying, "Even though I'm aware that you might not be feeling well, I would appreciate it if you could join us. If that's not possible, that's okay." This approach can help you show them that their feelings matter to you and that you care. Dive into the knowledge of depression. To provide your loved one with more support, educate yourself on depression. Gaining knowledge of the disease will increase your empathy and enable you to see things from their point of view. You'll also be able to recognize the signs and know how serious it is. Learning more about it will enable you to talk openly with others about it and lessen the stigma associated with it. Positive feedback. Be the one to break the downward spiral and keep your attention on the positive. Give them encouragement and support by focusing on their strong points. You can boost their confidence and give them reason for hope by changing the conversation to what's going well in their life. Make this authentic dua. It's important to keep in mind that depression is a medical illness, and that while you can be a very important source of support, you can't heal them. Allah, Ash-Shafi, is the only one who can cure and heal. But what you can do is ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala to heal your loved one by doing this. Place your right hand on your loved person and say, as our Prophet did, Allahumma rabban nas, adhib al-ba's, washfi, anta ash-shafi la shifaa illa shifauka, shifaan la yughadiru saqaman. O Allah, Lord of mankind, do away with my suffering. Heal as you are the only healer and there is no cure except that of yours. It is that which leaves no ailment behind. From Sahih al-Bukhari and Muslim. May Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala reward you for your compassion. However, words carry weight, especially when speaking to those who are in need. It's not just about what you say. You also need to be careful what you don't say. Your words could either make or break the other. So wouldn't it be worthwhile to spend in learning what not to say? By clicking on this screen, we will reveal the crucial errors. See you there, In Shaa Allah.